Mombasa Beach. Mombasa, Kenya. Mombasa, Kenya is the beach. The name of the beach is called Masai. I see. Here's the coast of Kenya. White sandy beach. Also have a lot of waves from the sea. There's people who are swimming, playing in the boats, surfing. Lots of activity by the beach. So there you can see a very big boat. You can bring it closer. And kids playing by the beach. It's so windy, but it's warm. And here you can see lots of activity by the beach. Yeah, there's just lots of activity by the beach. There are those tires that you can use to swim if you're not so good at swimming. The kids playing by the beach. Yeah, you can buy some snacks by the beach. You can sit by the beach, or you can lay on this kind of thing where you can lay after swimming to dry off. There are costumes being sold by the beach. If you've forgotten your costume, you can buy a costume there. There are lessons that you can buy by the beach, like wrappers to wrap yourself. You can buy diving kit. You can also buy some floaters so that if you're not good at swimming. And this side, those are the lessons. You can also sit by the beach and drink. Yeah. You can see those boats there, kids playing with tire chips. Yeah, they are doing different games. They're just playing different games by the beach. So sweet and lovely at the beach. Yeah, the coastal region of Kenya. We have white sandy beach, but with lots of waves.